again, and welcome back to my channel. About 2 weeks ago I took a delivery of the Evolution Rage 5-S table saw. In an earlier video, Evolution got in touch with us and I'd done a review on the small compact Mitre saw, and I was really impressed with it. The little thing that I actually did, I went ahead and, off the strength of the brand, bought this with my own money. It's only a short video today. It is not a review of the table saw. I might do one of those in a few months when I've used it on various projects. It's just a little bit of a guide if you have bought one of these or you are thinking of buying one of these. Just what I'd call a little tune-up, just to get it spot on for those mitre cuts and for those rip cuts. It's just a few little things that I've found that might help you a little bit along the way. So I hope you enjoy it. It's only a little short video, this one. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Right, I appear to have found a problem. Now, I appreciate I haven't done any cuts yet, and I also appreciate that there's quite a distinct possibility that I could have put it together wrong. However, it's about the blade guard. Now, I've looked at previous videos and I decided to buy this table saw after watching James's Man Cave review, because it really, he went really thorough on it and I was really impressed with it. And but he was really anti the blade guard, as a lot of folk are, but his was different. His was just like a simple black one, and it looked like, it's almost as if it wasn't, the angle was coming down too low on it, so when you start and you think up, you're almost tempted to move your hand towards it, which is absolutely the, completely the wrong thing you want to do. But this one seems much more substantial, better. However, I'm just about to do my first cup, so I've got some C16 3x2 here, so which I would traditionally bring down to just above, that's like that. But here's a couple of things. The blade guard's catching on the back, but even is, I can't bring the fencing to do narrow rips, but also even if I take it all the way up, where's the wood gonna go? Have I put this together wrong? It's not gonna go under. What have I done wrong? See, I can't have put it on the wrong way. And there's only one hole that the fixing, this came pre-assembled, so that can't go there. Unless it's just, I can only put the fence on the other side, but I wouldn't. Don't get it. But even if I put the fence on this side, how's the wood gonna get through? Now maybe the riving knife on that looks higher than that. Let's have a look. Ah, ha. Now then, I think we have found the solution. I'm going to have to stick that in there. Aha. This is it, I think. Side. There we go. Now then, that looks a lot better already for